ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్ నాకు పంపించలేదండి.
I
ఒక
will send
4
you everything I will send you, sir. So recorded file all converted. Just we need to give the name. So after that name, I can give you. I can send you all the recorded files. Today first concept property file. Today first concept property file. Property file is nothing but it contains some general information. It contains some general information. Property file is nothing but it is contains some general information. Simply we can say property file is nothing but, or we can say not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. All the properties we can take the other properties also. So there are two ways. One is all the properties we will write in main test. This is the first way. Second way, we need to create a property file. We need to create property file. That means first of all, we need to create the one file comma all the properties using the properties Selenium, so there are two ways. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. Using that properties, Selenium will identify in the web elements. There are two ways. One way is all the properties we will write in main test. Second way is we need to create property file. So how to create property file I will teach you. So first of all we need to create the all the first of all we need to create the all the first of all we need to create the one file. So all the properties we will keep in one file. Using that property, Selenium will identify in the web elements. like properties like name, id, value, value, tag name, css selector. These are the properties. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also: name, id, value, tag name, css selector. How we can work with this property file, today we will discuss. Property file, very very important concept. So after today there is no Selenium going to finish today. After this course completion, after this class completion, you can work with any application without knowing anything, without my support, without Google support. You can work with any application. So today Selenium going to finish. Today Selenium going to finish. So not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. There are two ways. One is all the properties directly we can write in the main test. Second, we need to create the property file. So these two things we will discuss today. Go to SRC, take the new class WD1, keep the mark public start quiet menu, click on finish. Yesterday class, once again we need to repeat. WebDriver, WD equal to new Firefox waiver. This is the first line, very very important line. Already I told you. Okay. WD dot get http gmail.com double colons http gmail.com. Next, WD dot find element by dot. Okay, yesterday we used XPath, now I am using ID. I am giving ID. I know ID. So that's the reason directly I am giving ID. How we can get the ID, I will teach you. Wait. Dot send keys. sign in. Only directly we can give the IDs. So how we can get IDs? Go to Mozilla Firefox. Go to Gmail. See what is the IDs? Email IDs. Email ID. So we have here highlighted one line. This is the line very important. These are the properties. Input ID, email, type email, autofocus, something. Value we have and name we have. These are the IDs, sir. Not only XPath, we can take the other properties also. Not only XPath, we can take the other properties also. These are the properties. Name, ID, value. So these are the properties. These are the properties. Now I am taking ID is email. Got it, sir? Satish garu.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Now email ID.
Okay, okay.
Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Email is the ID. Next button ID is next only. Password ID is password only. PASSWD. Sign in button ID. Sign in. In between we need should write thread or sleep. Wait statement. Why? Because it is moving to next window. So it is moving to next window. Compulsory we should write thread or sleep. 2000 seconds. 2000 seconds means 2 seconds. Add throws declaration. Right. This is the one way. Directly we can give the properties in the main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. This is the first way. Property file first way is this one. Second way, we need to create the property file. How to create the property file? Go to right click on default package. Take the new. Sorry. Right click on default package. Take the new. Other new to go to other general file. Click on next. File name is Satish I am giving. Click on next. Click on finish. I created one property file, but here I am giving alias names with alias names. I don't want to directly. I don't want to give. So indirectly I want to give. So email. Sir, Unnara. Sir, are you there?
Yes, yes.
I got sound something. Next.
ఆ థ్రెడ్ కాంతి ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయగలరా?
Okay. I gave some names, email, next to password to sign in. Password, save. Here I am writing thread. Why I am writing the it thread? After entering username and the next button, it is moving to next page. It moving to next page. It moving to next page. So that means it will take some time. So that's the reason I'm giving a wait statement. Just I'm telling to Selenium, just wait 2 seconds. I'm telling to Selenium, just wait 2 seconds. So that's the reason I'm giving 2 seconds. I'm writing 2 seconds. Thread dot sleep. Selenium, just wait 2 seconds. So that's the reason it will wait 2 seconds. It will wait 2 seconds. It will wait 2 seconds. So it will wait 2 seconds. It will enter email. It will click on next button. After that, it will wait 2 seconds. After that, it will go to password field and it will click on sign in button. Now, already I gave property file. I give property file. Already I created one property file. Just to take the property file export. Property file path. Go to properties. Take the property file path. Apply. Okay. Now I gave directly. Now I want to give indirectly. So properties p equal to properties p equal new properties file input stream fis equal to new file input stream. Give the path of the property file. I'm giving the property file control V. I'm giving the property file path. Already I created one property file. I'm giving that path. So whenever you want to export the data or import the data, compulsory we should write double slash. We should write double slash. This is very, very important, sir. P dot load FIS. Properties. Properties. File input stream. File input. After writing the code, it will show you some throws. File not found exception. Add throws. IO exception. Enough. So I'm saying to Selenium identify based on the properties. So I gave you one location. Using that location, I attached one file. So using that attached file, you can identify the web elements. Now we can write here p dot get property A. I gave alias name is A. That's the reason here I'm giving A. P dot get property B. p dot get property C, p dot get property D. Enough. So directly we can give the properties, and we need to create the we need to create the property file, and we need to give the alias names. With alias names, Selenium will identify the web elements. Save, click on run. These are the two ways. One is directly we can give the properties in the main test. Second way is we need to create the property file. All the properties we will keep in one file, and we will treat as the object repository. Using that object repository, Selenium will identify the web elements. That is the concept of property files. So it will go to Gmail, and it will enter username and password. It will click on send in button. So there are two ways. This is the property file. So, sir, already we discussed one concept XPath. After XPath, you can work with any application. So if it is XPath is not working, we can take the other properties also. These are the other properties concept. ID, name, value. If you want to take any other property, you can take it, sir. So Selenium is over, sir. Tomorrow onwards, no need to attend the classes, sir. Okay, Selenium is over. So after this class, you can work with XPath or ID or name or value or type property. You can work with any property, Directly you can work with any application. So Selenium is finished, sir. Okay, take rest. Happy
Okay.
Sankranti. Okay, enjoy.
Thank
So we can take
you.
XPath or other properties also. So here I am taking ID property. Okay, ID property directly, ID or name or any property directly we can give in the main test, or otherwise we can attach with main test.
Okay.
So wherever you go, if it is India or if it is Australia or Ireland or New Zealand or England or US, compulsory they will use only property file only. Only India people only they will use XPath. Outside India people always they will use only property file. So this property file is very important, sir. So just with alias names, same properties directly we can give. That software companies will not allow you. So compulsory we should create property file, and we need to keep the information in the file with alias names. That alias names we will call from main test.
Okay.
This is the property file, sir. So Selenium finished, sir. Tomorrow onwards, no need to attend. After this